Hey, it's Trevor with E-commerce Paradise, and in this video I'm going to review Klaviyo, which is an email marketing service provider mainly for Shopify stores, but also for other e-commerce platforms. I love Klaviyo, and I actually use it myself for my own high-ticket dropshipping stores and currently for ecommerceparadise.com. It's a great tool, and it's got awesome functionality. It's perfect for e-commerce businesses. And in this video, I'm actually going to dive into, number one, how to sign up for Klaviyo, two, how to go about utilizing their dashboard and setting up the campaigns, and three, what it looks like on the actual campaigns that you'll be setting up. So let's get into the video. Alright, so here we are at the Klaviyo signup page. You can find this page by going to ecommerceparadise.com/Klaviyo, link in the description below. And here you'll be able to get started right away. Just enter your name, company name, email address, phone, country, and your password you want, how many contacts you currently have if you have a list already, but most likely you don't, so just put 0. And also your company URL. You can sign up for their newsletter and all that good stuff and click Get Started. And what's going to happen is they're going to set you up with a free Klaviyo account. So Klaviyo is actually free up to 250 emails, I believe, and it might change over time, but it's a great way to get started with email marketing for your e-commerce store for free. So with that said, let's get into what the dashboard looks like. Alright, so we are inside of the dashboard of Klaviyo. This is what it looks like, and this is for E-commerce Paradise, my business. As you can see, it says the total revenue in the last 30 days was right around $20,000, and from email alone, that means 17,000, 92% of that revenue came through email in one way or another, which is pretty astounding, actually. The flows accounted for 54%, and the campaigns accounted for 38%. So it just shows the power of email marketing in a business, especially one based around courses and coaching and stuff like that, but even, also for high-ticket dropshipping or any e-commerce business. But email can be a huge profit generator, okay? 92%, that's insane. Think about it. So it even shows the dollars per recipient. So I have a big email list, it's 18 cents per, and this isn't counting all the sales that happen outside of my Shopify store. I also sell things through Teachable, and Teachable, of course, is not going to show here. So that's another profit center of mine as well. So that said, here you can look at, and this is of course just the overview dashboard. Here you can look at the flows and the campaigns. Okay, so the flows are here. See my leads list for a niche hacks course has produced $7,499 in revenue. And it's kind of interesting because that's not even for my niche hacks course. That revenue is for my higher ticket offers. So it goes to show that having a full funnel built out for a business, full value ladder, is really profitable. This niche hacks course is just a self-liquidating offer, so it's pretty much a break-even offer, and then on the back end I make quite a bit of money from that. And then the other things haven't quite produced any money in the last 30 days, but if I go last 90 days, I'll see probably other results. Yeah, as you can see, it's produced a little bit of cash, so that's good. Anyway, so you'll be able to see your flows and campaigns here, so that's what that looks like. And then over here on the left, you can click campaigns, and your campaigns are your like launches and stuff like that, things you send out on a daily basis or something like that. So you can see all your data here, open rate, click rate, if they place an order or not, that kind of thing. And flows are your automated sequences. So you'll create flows based on a list or a segment, which is right here, lists and segments. And your lists and segments will show how many subscribers you have and how they got on that segment, or how they got into the list, that kind of thing. And you can even look at profiles, you can look at metrics. It integrates with tons of cool platforms, including Shopify, of course, but also other platforms as well. BigCommerce, Amazon Marketplace. Let's see if some other common ones here. Facebook ads, which is really neat. Gento, if you use that. Salesforce. Stripe, WooCommerce, Zendesk, Zoho. So it integrates with a lot of cool stuff. And the coolest thing about Klaviyo for e-commerce stores is their data feeds. So data feed is basically a way for them to show products within an email, and you can set up data feeds for any particular type of product category and stuff like that. So those are really cool. You can create sign-up forms, so you don't even need a pop-up software if you don't want. You can create just sign-up forms for your website that pop up automatically. and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute here. And then there's the email templates. So I'll give you an example of what an email from Klaviyo looks like. Let's see here. These are custom email templates I made. So, right. These are your basic newsletter templates. And these are your other emails here. So let's take a look at one of these really quick. It's not really going to show a whole lot just because it's not filled in with information yet, but you'll still get an idea of what it looks like. So this is basically a template here. Now, the one thing I wanted to show you is what their data feeds look like. So if you go products and you drag a product down into an email and you select a feed and hit save, it's going to create this. So basically you can send people an email on a weekly basis, maybe an image or something, some text telling them something, and then you offer them some products for sale and see if they're interested. If they click through, then they can get added to a segment that says engaged subscribers, people more likely to order, and you can start sending them more targeted emails. Okay, so that's how that works. Now, Klaviyo emails are just like any other email provider. You can do those drag and drop, or you can just do really simple emails. You can do text emails. So we'll just give you an idea of what that looks like. So this is an example of a text email. That's really simple. Okay. I recommend using a little bit of both in your business. You can use the pretty emails and the text emails. Text emails kind of feel more like a personal touch. So it's like an email written really quick from the founder just to say hi or something like that. Whereas the pretty emails are good as like a base business kind of a thing. So keep that in mind. So last thing I wanted to show you was what it looks like when an email pop-up happens. So let's go ahead and go to an incognito window. I'm using Klaviyo pop-ups for this website, so you can see in a moment. That looks like here. Oh, and by the way, this is an embedded form. So this is a Klaviyo embedded form, and you can tag the subscribers by allowing them to check boxes and stuff like that. And this is a great thing to do as well. Let's see, it should pop up with something pretty soon. Oh, there we go. So this is what the pop-up for Klaviyo looks like. And it's really simple. Just blocks the entire background. You can do this for an exit intent, which I recommend. So if somebody exits the screen, they'll see this, and they'll get an offer. Limited time offer, get my free course, or free guide to this product category or something like that, and sign up for the free course, okay? So that's what that looks like. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this review of the Klaviyo email marketing software. Again, when you're ready to sign up, you can click the link below and get started today for free at ecommerceparadise.com/Klaviyo. Klaviyo is one of my favorite email marketing softwares. I highly recommend it for e-commerce businesses. You can do a lot more in sales if you just email your list consistently, okay? The money is in the list. So build your email list, follow up with them. They're your subscribers. You own that list. You'll never have to pay to reach that list beyond just paying for the service fee for your email marketing service. And you can increase your revenue. You can do all sorts of cool stuff with email marketing. Be on the lookout for more videos about email marketing, but also type email marketing to the search bar in the E-commerce Paradise YouTube channel and on my blog. You'll find all sorts of great articles and videos breaking down all these awesome strategies I have for email marketing that you can gain from and build your business with. So thanks for watching again, guys. If you're interested in high-ticket dropshipping, get my free niches list at ecommerceparadise.com/niches. And if you want my team to build you a store for high-ticket dropshipping, go check out my free training for 3 phases to success with our turnkey high-ticket dropshipping store package. It's at ecommerceparadise.com/turnkey. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.